this is Kim, the Homeschooling Grammy, coming at you today with a little review on Matthew C. Primer. We are just about done with the curriculum for this year, so I thought it would be a really good time for us to go ahead and take a look at how we used it this year, how we liked it, just like a page by page look at the curriculum. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this little camera around and we'll take a look. Okay, you all, after much struggle with my lovely little tripod, which I'm now finding out is not such a good little tripod, so if any of you all have any good ideas about what I can do for a tripod that actually works, that would be awesome. So you get to look at the piece of my chair over here on the right hand side. But anyways, so we have been using Matthew C. Primer. We have really enjoyed this program this year. We will definitely be moving on to Alpha. My granddaughter has learned a lot through this program this year, and it's a very gentle approach. Some people may say that it moves a little too slowly. I like that there's lots of practice. It builds her confidence when she can do a page and not really need any help because she's seen it before. It is a mastery program. So it comes with the DVD. Now, I myself ended up purchasing the teacher's manual and the DVD off of eBay for like almost nothing. So the only thing I actually purchased from the website was the student workbook. But anyways, it comes with the DVD. The teacher that teaches each lesson is really pretty fun. My granddaughter loves to watch him. And there's like kids in a classroom type setting. So he's asking kids questions and having them answer as he's showing them how to do the next lesson. And like I said, you can also get the teacher's manual. I don't think I even cracked this teacher's manual open at all this year, to be honest. But I'll give you a look inside. It gives you all instructions for each lesson. But if you have the DVD, you don't need this. Also, it comes with the student workbook. And we are just about done, actually, with Matthew C. for the year. As you can see, she is now on lesson 30, which is the last lesson for Matthew C. Primer. We've been working on subtraction the last couple of lessons. That was A. This is lesson B, or practice B, I should say. More subtraction. And there's only a few problems. It's not overwhelming. It only takes a few minutes, which is wonderful. More subtraction. And then on Monday, we'll be moving on to section D of lesson 30. And she'll be practicing some more subtraction problems. And we will also be going back to review some time. And then more subtraction again on the following day. And then some review of some skip counting. And they are finding the area of each rectangle, counting by twos on this particular page. But she has learned how to count by twos, by fives, and by tens this year. And then more subtraction on the F practice day. And then they mixed it up a little bit on the next page, and there's actually some addition. And then there's always an enrichment. Letter G is always enrichment day. I don't know if this is true or not. I've heard it's more like Common Core aligned, and you can choose to do it or not to do it. We tend to do it just because I'd like her to see math in some different ways. As you can see here, it says draw pictures to help you subtract. Draw 5 cars. 1 car went home. Put an X on the car that went home. How many cars are left? So a little bit of word problems in there. And also what comes with the primer are blocks. Now, I purchased my blocks secondhand. So I didn't have a fancy box or any of that stuff that I noticed that some people have with their Matthew C. curriculum. So I decided to go and buy some containers. And because I'm just a little bit a personality, you might say, I went ahead and I labeled each little section inside. The blocks, the children learn these blocks, the color represent numbers pretty much. Like 1 is green, or I should say unit is green, 2 is orange, 3 is pink, 4 is yellow, 5 is blue, 6 is purple, so on and so forth. But you can see how I got one of these sectioned off containers to put her blocks in. So I have the 1s and the 2s, 3s and the 4s, 5, 6, 7s and 8s are in here. And then I bought another container, which is a little bit larger. Once again, my A personality, I labeled them 9, 10, and 100. And these are just set in here, they're not sectioned off. So that's it for Matthew C. We really enjoyed this curriculum this year. I can't say enough good things about it. It has been a perfect fit for our family. My granddaughter has really enjoyed it. She looks forward to math. Math is her strong suit along with science. But if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask them in the comments. I will do my best to answer them. And I will be coming again at you very soon with another review of another curriculum that we have used this year. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.